this, select this, and you can move or copy whatever you want. You can use this. I want to copy it, so I just go to this copy button or use the shortcut CO. Come here at this place and use this like this. You can see. Go to the modify command or press escape 2 times. You can see this types. If I go to this here to the shaded portion, you can see these are the contract joint. These are the joints. Yeah, if you want to show this the joints in the 3D view, you can see you can easily use this model lines for that, because you can see if you want to use this lines in 2D, so you can use the detail line command. But if you want to use in 3D, so you have to use the model line. So sometimes in architecture, the details are very important. So that's why I show you the importance of model line. If you go to the 3D view, then also you can see here, these are the model lines that are shown here. Okay. So this is very important. These are the ribbons and these are the model lines. Okay. Here I created 2 model lines here. This is the contract joints. This is the details of an architecture that are mostly shown about the 3D model. So how can you use this 3D modeling? When you zoom it, you can see these are the small lines that are comes apart, but it is very small, so that's why it's not visible correctly. Okay. Now, but it's enough, or it's alternative way to put to say that this is a joint that are formed here. So this plays a very important role when we create a detailed diagram in the architecture. So that's why I explain you about the model lines. Okay, and I hope you understand the difference between a model line and a detail line. Here you can see this is a ribbon that I show you. This is, you can see, this is the small portion that goes at this end to the negative direction. And this is the model line that it's create a model line here. In this lecture, we are talking about object styles. As you work your projects in Revit, you'll find many times you wish to change the way of various items display on screen in your final output. There are various tools available in their surface of software. Make such changes both globally across the entire project and more specific in isolated ways. So each of the movies in this chapter start much more of global approach, and then we will get progressively more specific in kind of build down to very isolated and some special overrides that we can apply. So I begin with a command called object styles, and this story will globally control panel for all the graphical settings in software. So I'm looking here to the manage tab, and this ribbon you can see here, this is a manage tab. I just click this manage tab. Here you can see at this manage tab, when I come at this place, you can see here, this is object style. When I click this symbol object style, then you find that here, this is the dialog box open here. There are 4 types of object style that here it shows. The first one, that is model object. The second is annotation object, the analytic object, and the important object. Before using this, I will explain something why I showed this. For this, I just go to this here, this section panel. Here, this is longitudinal section. Okay. So there, I just click this zoom command and zoom this portion first. I'll show you what is the difference here. You can see when I zoom here, just a pen a little bit at this side, so it will be more visible for you. You can see here, when I see this wall, you can see this wall. The dark line are shows on this wall. Okay, you can see here, this is the dark line on this wall. When I come at this floor plan, you can see these floors are of light line. Okay, when I come it is to the ceiling also have a light line. Okay, the thickness of the line is low as compared to wall. Okay, if I want to change, I'm going to this place and I can change it. But here, when I go to this portion here also, I find here also this portion is dark. Sometimes some lines are dark and some lines are just light. Okay, So this is a mismanagement of all of it. You can come here. This floor also the same problem you can see. If you do to remove this dark line to this small lighter line, then it will just command shows to only this wall only. Okay, but I have a problem in all over this and below also. When I go to the transverse section, then also when I zoom this portion a little bit, then you can see it is the same problem here also. This is the dark line and this is the small line shows here. Okay. So how can I finish this problem and what is the importance of object styles? I will show you there. Okay. Just go to this manage tab first, then go to this object styles. When you go to this object style, then you find this is the four important object styles. The first one is model object that we'll see in this lecture, and rest of them that will be that I will show you another lecture. Okay. So here this is model object. Here in model object you can see this is the category number of categories. Okay, of all the families that are here. You can see there are number of categories of all the family that I used in this project. Okay, you can see here starting with this air terminal cable and all ceilings column and all the family. Okay, now I'm talking here the three things. I'll show you already what are the three things. Just I will zoom a little bit here. This portion to go cancel again and zoom a little bit. You can see here I'm talking about this portion here, the wall. Okay, and the floor and the ceiling. Okay, here in the longitudinal section, I also show you there. This is the wall, and here this is the floor. You can see this is lighter line, and here ceiling that is also lighter, but that is wall that is only this has that much of thickness, more thickness other than that. Okay, so what I have to do? Go to this project border option, and here when you come down there, this is a projection. What is the projection of what is cut? I'll explain first. You can see here this is a projection. Projection shows when you are not in a section. Okay, when you see the model fully. So this is a projection, that is the line width that it shows here. You can see the weight of the line that is all one here in the projection. Okay, and when you come at this place, here you can see at the cut section, when you cut it, then you can see these are the line width that are formed. Okay, you can see here these are the line widths that are formed. Okay, if you just click any of this line, okay, then you'll see this is the case that is projection and cut, a line color that is black, line pattern and metal. All of this are shown. If I just stretch a little bit so it will be more visible for you. Okay, now you can see it. Now I'll talk about three things. The first one is floor, wall. The second is floor, and third one is ceiling. We'll talk these three, and we'll see their line weight, and we'll just use the same numbers of this line weight, and then we'll see the difference. Okay. Now when I come at this lower portion, okay, you can see at this portion you can see here this is wall. Okay. Here you can see the wall has a line weight of cut section that is 3. Okay. And when you go to the ceiling option, here this is ceiling option, and this upper section here, this is a ceiling option. You can see here the line weight of cut that is 1 only. Okay. If you come at this section for the floor also, here also you see the cut section is 1 only. Okay. So this floor and ceiling have a cut section of line weight 1, and here the wall have a cut sections of 3. So that's why this problem goes up. Then you just remove this, okay, and when you click it, you can see their line width. There are shows a line width of overall 16. How much? That is 60. And most of the times you can see that this will goes to 4 to 5, because 4 to 5 is a little bit dark. And other than that, it's an option to do that also, but most of the times we will use in the project for the 6 to 7. Okay, not more than 6 to 7. So here that is 3, that is the wall section, wall line weight in the cut section. Okay, so that's why that is the difference, that this is 3. That's why we'll see the dark line on this wall, and we'll see the light line in ceiling and floor. So what you have to do, you can change this to 1 or you can change that to this to 3 here. You can just click one time. After clicking again, then find this arrow and you can change to 3 here. Okay. And here floor also, when you come at this place floor, you can just come here, click this one time, click one more time, and then you can change their line weight. Okay. So I changed the line weight to them 3, all of 3. All of 3 is the line weight are 3. Then I apply this, then I press OK. Then you see the difference here. When I zoom it, you can see here, this wall line, the floor line, and ceiling line are same. Okay. Here also, when you go to the transverse section also, you can see the difference here. This is the wall line and this is the ceiling line. You can see here, this is the floor line. This all are same. Okay, so this is the difference that you see here when you, sorry, this is not a floor line, this is a lid line. So this is a wall line and this is a floor ceiling line. These both are the same. We'll change the 3 lines that are same here, wall, ceiling, and floor. So when you go to the any of the cut off section and you see the line are same. There you can see this is a dark line, that is a topography line. When you go to the object browser and you see this last here, I'll show you why it's so much dark. Just go here a little bit and you can see here, this is the topography line. Okay, so this is 6 and this is black solid earth and that is dark. This is very important, we use the dark also. So sometimes we go for 6 or 7, that I already told you about the line weight of cut section. Sometimes we'll use 6, 7 or 8 so that it will be visible for us very correctly. Okay, so we'll see the difference. So this portion, we can use the color also if you want to use the color. Suppose I want to use the color of the wall is red. So I come at this portion, go to this wall here, come at this black changes into the red here. I want to choose red color here to this wall. So I press OK. You can see this red here, apply and then press OK and you see the difference here. You can see the color you can change. Okay, so this object style are very important when you are using sometimes a very detailed software or detailed applications. So this shows the difference and it will be help to working with you. So when you apply change to object style is actually gonna apply then entire project. So it's really important to get object style you like first, because that is actually gonna solve most of the problem because they are applied to the globally. Okay, so it's important to use this object styling first and then you use the project. In this movie, I'm gonna take a look at the visibility graphics of overlaying dialog. That is a very important topic. Now, their barrel is used quite frequently to work in Revit. It gives lots of control other than the object hardly displacing various views. And there are a lot of similarities between it and the object style we saw in previous movie. But the main difference is where object style is globally to the entire project. So when we change it affect the every view. The visibility graphics command limited to view only. I am currently looking at the first floor. You can see here, this is level 1 first floor, and I am just going to the second floor now. So after that, I'm going for the view option and then going to this time view option. Okay, when I press time view, you can see this is level 2. I'm here and here this is level 1. Okay, so this is level 2 and level 1. So here we discuss about I'm back to the level 1 here. I just select level 1 here. Okay, now zoom a little bit and go to the visibility graphics. You can see here in the sleeper panel, or you can use the shortcut VZ, or you can use this visibility graphics icon here. Just click one time visibility graphics. When you use this visibility graphics, after that, you can see here model categories that are all shown here. You can see here number of model categories that are shown here. It seems same like the object style, but there's a different function of this. I'll show you. Little bit similar to this also. So be careful and to be concentrate here. Okay. Now here you can see this is when you see this is the door command. I'll extend for this example for a door. You can see here this is a model categories and there are few categories that are we'll see later. Okay. Now in this movie, I'll show you this is visibility categories of model categories. Okay, visibility of model categories. Now here you can see though, I'll just go to the level one, okay, and use this visibility graphics using VG, and then you will see there are lots of these things. This is projection surface. I showed you already what is projection surfaces. This is projection surfaces. Then we see the all the pattern or surface, and this is a cut section. Okay, and I'll tell you about half tone, what is half tone in this video also. Okay. Now when we come at this door section, is this door model categories, and when we uncheck this object door and press apply, then we find that in this level one, just stay a little bit. In this level one, you can see here this cancel this press. Okay, and you can see here there is no door shown here. Okay, you can see there is no door shown here. You can see here. But when you come to this level 2, you can see here in level 2 door are still shown. You can see 70 number door, 80 number doors. These doors are shown here. Okay. But when you come at this part, the doors are not shown. Because in the visibility graphics, I will choose this go to this level one, and then I choose this door as unchecked. Okay, that's why it's not visible, it's hidden. So we can use VG again, or you can use that or you can just see this is door command. When I use this checkbox in the VG command, and it will be shown when we apply, you can see all the doors are come back. Okay, at this position. Okay, so this is very simple that I showed you already. Now and you can see here at the top of the site is written that visibility graphics for this level one only. If you go to the level two and you can use the same thing, you can use that also. Okay. So I hope this is clear for you. Now we'll see that. Now here, one more thing I will show you here. Like you can see this is the ceiling option at this place. Okay. When you just select the ceiling option, you can see this is line. That line you can change it, you can override it pattern that you want to override it, lines pattern, it's all that you override it. Okay, and this is the suppose I just want this line command override, you can see the new line pattern color and all that you can use from this only. Okay, so you can use this types in the last video lecture that I told you how you change the object style, and here you can change the categories here. For the ceilings only, you can choose this category and use that. Okay. So now I will tell you what is the importance of this visibility graphics and why we need to use this visibility graphics here. Okay. So I just cancel it. Now here you just do one thing. Just go to this. Just go to this level 2 and cut it level 2. Go to this level 1 only. Okay. Now I'll show you the most important thing of visibility command, why it's very important. You can see it. Suppose this is the when I go to this level 1 here, you can see I want to duplicate of this level 1. Okay. So what I have to do, just click this one time and click the right click of the mouse. Okay. Then see this is one option here, that is the duplicate field. Okay. Here in this lecture, we'll discuss the two things, that is duplicate and the duplicate with the delete. Okay. So now I'm duplicate it first time. Okay. So you can see a new copy of level 1 I created it. Now again I go to this level 1. Okay. And again I want to go to the duplicate view. Okay. And here I go for the duplicate with the delete. Okay. So you can see these two copies are found. So what is the difference between duplicate copy 1 and duplicate copy 2? As the name shown here, you can see when I duplicate to level 1, you can see here these are the duplicate that are found here. But you can see the difference when I go to the level 2. Here the annotates are also shown. You can see here this is 25, 1, 13 office and all. These annotates are shown here, but here in duplicate level copy 1, it's only duplicate, but the annotates are not copied. Okay. Now I want to use this duplicate level copy 1 to rename it as a furniture. I want to use the furniture on this plan only. So what I have to do, come at this place, select this, just right click And here I have a rename option. I go to the rename option, level 1. I just go to the back, delete this, and use this furniture. Okay, and then the split outside. You can see this is one level 1 furniture that are shown here. And again, I go to this level 2 and go here and just right click and do the same process of rename. And here I want to use this power. I want to use the electric features in this plan. So I use level 1 power and press enter. You can see this is already a level 1. Okay. And this is level 1 furniture that I created, and this is level 1 power that I created. Level 1 furniture in this annotates are not coming. In this level 1 power annotates are also coming. You can see all the annotates are comes here. Okay, so these are the three that I created. Now, what I did, you can see in this level 1 furniture, when I come to this level 1 furniture, I can see all the electricals. You can see here, this is bulb and all. This all are shown in my 2D plan. So what I have to do, I don't want this types of electric fixtures. So what I can do, I just go to the visibility command, type VG. Okay, and then I come here at this portion, and you can see here, this is electrical equipments or electrical features. I don't want this to, so I just go to the electrical features and electrical equipments. I uncheck these boxes and apply, and then okay. Then you can see in this, there is only furniture that are shown here right now. Okay, now I'm coming at the second part here, which is level 1 power. Okay, here in this power, I just want the furniture. Sorry, I want the only the power electrical features, but not the furniture. So what I have to do, I have to just go to the visibility command and I have to just uncheck the furniture. Okay, so one more thing you have to do, the simple shortcut is also there. We can just select this furniture, any of the furniture component that you don't want to use. After selecting this, okay, just select this. After selecting this, you can see this hide in view command. Okay, you can just click this and you can go for the hide category. So then also you can see all the furnitures are not shown here. If you want to go to confirm it, so you can go to the VG, okay, visibility graphics, and there you can see here these are the furnitures that are unchecked here. Fine. So this is the very helpful command when you use this. That is very helpful. So here you can see this is furniture. In this plan, I showed you how you can just create a furniture with the height of command, height of categories. Here you can use the power. And here you can see the difference that here that is annotated here. And there is no unit and this furniture plan. And there is annotated. You can see here this all units are shown in this power plan. So how can you use the difference? So one of the most important thing, just the underline here to be considered, it's very important. You can see here when I suppose you can see at this uh, power plan, when I go to the visibility graphics and just check this door, okay, and apply and okay. Here you can see the doors are coming at this power plant. Here, when I change this door, just select this door and then move this door a little bit. Go to this move command and move like this. Okay. You can see when I move this, okay, so it will be moved at this position. Or when I go to the furniture, when I go to the level 1, here I go to the level 1, just a minute. I will show this door here also. Let's go to apply. Okay. You can see in level 1, it's also moved. Okay. So when I move this door, it's moving level 1 in the level 1 furniture as well in the level 1 power also. Okay. But when I move, suppose I go to this level 1 power and I move this annotate. This is annotate. I just move it a little bit. Okay. So I just move up like at this far. From where I move it here in this level 1 power. When I go to this level 1, you can see it's still in this place. Okay, so you see the difference? I'll show you once again. Just select this door, okay, and move this door to at this point. This is intact, but I'll show you to show you. I'll do it here. When you go to this power plant, then here you can see the door are shifted to this place also. Okay, so this is a very this is a difference in this. You can understand by this that I just move a little bit to the right position at this place. Okay, so now what you see when I move this 3D model or a categories here, it will move to the all over the model. Okay, where it be the level one furniture or level copy duplicate that you form. It's all more. But when you move the annotate tab, this is annotate. When you move this annotate, then it will not move. It will particularly move to that level only. Okay, so this is the difference here. Okay, if I delete all the annotate here, it doesn't mean that it will delete in this level one. So I'll show you how. Just come here, okay, and select all this, go to the level one power, be sure this is level one power, okay. Just select this, all of this, okay. Come here to this filter button, just go to this door tags and come at this place that is window tags, okay. Sorry, go for the check man and just check Windows tag and door tags, okay. Just come here and check door tags plus apply and okay. And then this all are selected, just press delete. You can see here in this power, these door tags are deleted and the Windows tags are also deleted. You can see there is no numbering in this in this door tag as well as in Windows tag. Okay, this door Windows tag are deleted, but when you come at this place to the level one, you can see it's still there in this level one. The door tags are also shown and the window tags are also shown. So what is the difference here? When you delete the annotate tab, it's deleted at the one place. This is the only one place that you deleted. When you delete this furnitures or when you shifted this models, door, windows and all, this all are going to change in all the models. So this is the difference. I hope you understand it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this place level one. Now at class, I want to show you one more thing here. Okay, if you want to go to this level one power first. Okay, now what I am to show, you can see here, this is the visibility graphics is not about the show and just hide. It's all about, it's more than that of customs. Okay, so you can use here when you see it's a storefront and lots of details you need to this electrical power also. So what you have to do, you need some furniture arrangements where the tables and all, so it will be more comfortable to you. But if you use this furniture, so it will be very mercy of things that you can't use that. So what you have to do, you can go to the visibility graphics by pressing VG. Okay, here after using VG, you can see here at this point, you can go to this furniture option. You can just check this furniture. But here you come at this half tone. I showed you what is half tone. Just click one of time. The underlay furniture that I shown you. I'll show you how it's look. Just go to the apply and go to this OK button. Then see all the furnitures are shown here. So this you can click it also, but it's like it's a hidden view. So it's like you can use that. Okay, so this is the also customized function of the visibility graphics. So this lecture is about visibility graphics, and it's very important in most of the ways of the creating a model. And it all depends on how you want to view it. Sometimes you want to change the functions, properties, and all. These types of functions are given to Revit that will give you an additional boost to work with it. In this lecture, I'm talking about view templates. Sometimes you spend lots of time in visibility graphics, making lots of customization, different modifications, certain kind of floor plan. For example, like we're talking about the previous movie, we have furniture plan, power plan. So we set up each view we want and then we want similar settings in other kinds of floor plan. Now I'm getting two-story building here, but maybe we have a 10-story building also. So I need a furniture and a power plant for all the 10-story buildings. It's certainly possible to me into each of the other plan and replicate the same setting, but it gets soon time to do that. And I probably enjoy very much. So Revit offers a feature called a view templates. In this feature, it is a very simple tool which capture all of the setting data apply particular view and give a name, take a collections and apply to other similar views. So I have in my level 1 floor plan you can see here, and here you can see at this in my previous lecture I just uh, create this level 1 furniture and level 1 power plant. Okay, so these are the two power plants. Okay, now I want to create a view template here, and how can you in just one click you can easily replicate the elements. Okay, how can you easily replicate the plans? Okay, furniture or power plant I'm talking about in this lecture. So be concentrated what I'm saying. It's a little bit difficult. Now the lectures are going into the highway, so you have to just concentrate it because it's a little bit difficult to understand. Okay, but if you properly concentrate and watching 2 or 3 times, so definitely we'll catch it very properly. Okay, so here you can see I want to create a template here for this furniture and power plant. You can see here level 1 furniture and level 1 power. So can we have at least of 10-story building, so you can easily by just one click we can apply all our settings. So how can we do that? Just see very carefully what I'm doing. We can see this is level 1 furniture. You just click level 1 furniture first. Okay, go to the level 1 furniture, and then in the ribbon panel, you can see this is a view option. Just click one time view. After clicking this view option, there is one option at the left corner side that is known as view templates. You can see that this option that is view templates. Just click on view templates one time. After clicking this view templates, you have 3 options. First one is apply template properties to the current view. The second one is create template for the current view. And third one is manage view templates. I want to create a template first because I don't have a previous saved templates here. So I want to create a template of this level 1 furniture. I want these types of settings in all of this furniture. You can see level 2, level 2 power furniture and level 2 power. Okay. If there is almost 10 numbers of 10 story of building, so it will change into level 10 furniture into 10 level 10 power. So you can see how much time you have to need to apply all the settings. So in just one click you can do it. You can understand when I finished it or finish this lecture. Okay, just create a just go to the level 1 furniture, go to view, blue templates, create template from the current view. Just create template from the current view. Just select one here, and here it's written new view template name. You have to enter the name here. I want to choose the typical furniture plan. So we can use typical furniture plan. Okay. You can see here, I write a typical furniture plan and press OK. And now you can see this dialog box of your templates are open. Okay. Now you can see that our typical furniture plan name of this templates are open. If you want to do any kind of settings changes here, you can change. You can see here. This is the display model. If you want normal, if you don't want, you can just check this box. You can view scale. If you don't want to view scale of 1/100, 1/100 ratio, you can check on box. Okay. So this kinds of lots of settings of color schemes and all the settings are here in this template. If you want, you can change it. I don't want to change anything here. I just want to see this visibility graphics of our model. If here you can do edit, and you can, if you want any changes here you can see in the last lecture in the furniture, I just uncheck these 2 boxes of electrical equipment, so it will be not visible in our furniture plan. Okay, so I need a furniture, so furniture is already in a tick mark. Okay, I check it. I don't want to change anything here. If you know half tone, I told you about half tone also. So I don't want to change anything. I just want to see and press OK. When I press OK, you can see our first view template are created, and when you click OK, it will be created at level 1 furniture view template is activated right now. Now the same thing we'll do at level 1 power plan. So you can see here, just select this level 1 power, do the same thing, view templates, create a view template. Here I write typical power plan. Okay, so I choose this plan, typical power plan, and here the same setting, I don't want to change anything, so I press OK here. Okay, now you can see we created two templates. First is for level 1 furniture and second one is for level 1 power. Now that setting I want to choose to this view, and I want to use it. How can you use it? You can just see that very carefully. Go to the level 2 furniture. Okay, when you come to the level 2 furniture, you can see here these are the furniture settings that are in level 2 furniture. I want to change it to over this templates that I found. So when I go to this view templates, okay, and create this template current view. Okay, now this time I don't use this create template current view because I want to apply this to furniture too. I go to this, click it, apply. Okay, and I come at this place, typical furniture plan. Okay, and I select it, and here I can apply properties, and okay, you can see it's changed. Okay, you can see here there is no electrical furnitures that are in this place. Okay, now when you come to the power plant, here you can see this is all. You can do the same thing. Come here, new template, apply new template. Here I want to create typical power plant and press OK. You can see the changes that are happening here. Okay, these are the changes that are okay. Now we apply these templates, these two templates. Okay, changes and all. Now I'll show you how you can just change in one templates, and it will say sorry, change in one levels, and it will change to other levels. How it will be happen, just see very carefully right now. Just you have to do, I have to show you how just in level 1 furniture, change in level 1 furniture, level 2 furniture, how can we just in one click change this. Okay, so what you have to do, just go to the level 1 furniture. Let's go to the level 1 furniture. Fine. Or you can do one thing, just cross this box. Okay, if you go to the tile views, okay, so what you have to, what it's going to happen, there are lots of, you can see here, if you go to this switch window, you can see there are 4 or 5 levels that are open right now in a background. So when you go to the tile view, so what happen? It will five all windows are open. Okay. So I don't need this type of windows in this situation. So I cross it one by one. Okay. And I'll show you how you have to do that. You just cross all of this windows. Okay. This cross, this one also. And here this is only one. This is level 1 furniture. And I want only two. First one is level 1 furniture and level 2. Suppose I just click 3 to 4 windows. There is a cross sign at this close elective views. When you close elective views, you are just in one view. Just select first level 1 and then goes to this cross window, and then you select level 2 furniture. Okay, I will show you how I can manage the template, and it will be all changes into this. Okay, how it will be happen. Just go to the furniture view and this furniture two views. Now I am going to this style view. So I have just two views of level 1 furniture and level 2 furniture. Okay, I'll just click level 1 furniture here. Now I just come at this properties panel, and here you can see, and you can go to the below option, and here this is option of none. When you click this option, here this is option of a typical furniture plan. I just click it and put it that template in furniture one. I just click it here also. Okay, and here I just also click this and use this furniture, typical furniture plan. You can see these both are same right now. Now if I go to this view templates, okay, go to the view templates and change anything, or go to the manage templates. Okay, now I have to change, go to this typical furniture plan and change anything in this VG. Okay, visibility graphics, or come here. Suppose I just come here and go to the furniture and just click it and override it and use the another pattern of like this diagonal pattern. Press OK and press apply and OK and press OK. You can see here also it's a pattern comes, and here also you can see the pattern comes. Okay, just you can manage the templates. It will go to the all the directions, all the levels. Okay, so this is very important. Sometimes if you have a 10 story building, you have to just create a template first. Okay, and you go to view template, three option. The first step is to create a template. Okay, the second step to apply the template to the view, all of the view from this also. Here you can come at this place and you apply from there also. You can apply it all the views, and when you manage the template, it will be comes to the all the actions of the furnitures or whatever you want to change it. Okay, so this is very helpful tool when you do a very lengthy project or a very heavy project. Okay, so here one more thing that is very important. Now when I go to visibility graphics, okay, VG, you can see I am not able to check any other current view that I will do in the last lectures, that I do not Revit did not allow me to do any changes in this current view. So what I have to do for this is the disadvantage drawback of this. You can't change it. Okay, but here the Revit give the another alternate ways of doing that. You can see this checkbox here. This is temporary view properties here. It's written temporary view properties, and it's a box here. So when you click it, it's an option of enable temporary view properties. When you click it, you can see here. You can see now the visibility graphics are working. You can come here and use the visibility graphics. Now you can see this visibility graphics are now it's working. If you've done it, here you come at this place and do this. Suppose if you don't need a furniture here, you can cross it. Okay, apply it, press OK. You can see there is no furniture in this edit temporary view, and here it is all the furniture and in this view. So in this, you can easily done it. Just click it and restore view properties. So you can restore it also. Okay, if you want to do temporary changes, come here and temporary apply the temporary temp properties. Okay, so this is very helpful tool to working with the templates and working with the multiple stories of buildings. Okay, so I told you in this lecture how we'll create a templates and how we'll apply it. Okay, I will just in a quick 30 seconds I will review. Just put a quick revision. Okay, what I have to do, go to the furniture panel, level 1 furniture, and what I have to do, create a view, go to the view template and create a template. Go to again the second level 1 power plan, create a template, and after creating this, I come at this level 2 furniture. Okay, and what I did, why did I apply this template to this furniture, and in this power I applied to the template to the power, and then when I manage it, it comes to the both of the parts.